everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, we're going to take a look at a beautiful 1969 Chevrolet C10. Beautiful truck, guys. It's out of North Carolina. It's got 571 miles on a complete frame-off restoration. Really just a pretty truck, man. It's got a real unique look. You can see it's got the custom front end with a billet grille. Everything's blacked out on it, which is super cool. It's got a gorgeous Corvette-inspired custom interior with leather seat, leather power leather. That's actually, it's a power leather driver's seat, leather passenger seat as well. But really nice car. You can see it's got the custom roll pan in the rear. 18 and 20 inch black chrome torque thrust wheels on it, all new rubber all the way around it. I gotta apologize, you can see this tailgate. It really needs to be adjusted, unfortunately, with the shutdown here. I don't have any of my guys here, but I'll try to make sure that gets done before we get it shipped out. But really pretty truck, good solid straight body, pretty paint. It's got custom some custom striping on it. Cowl hood. Truck sits down a little lower. It's got a healthy big block 454. It's got air. Again, it's got the blacked out grille. There's a few little stone packs. I noticed a couple little things, a couple little dimples in the paint, but pretty doggone nice, guys. The truck runs and drives good. Again, big block underneath the hood, 454, 400 trans. All new glass. In fact, we got a little dirty glass there. Sorry, guys. Nathan and I missed that, man. We're trying to do everything right now, man. It's just him and I here. Super cool interior. Custom wood bed. They've relocated the fuel tank in the center, so it's got custom fuel tank. See a few little scratches on the inside of the bed. I noticed a couple little things. Pretty cool. They got the bow tie up there. And again, this thing floats. You can see the thing floats on, needs to be adjusted. I'll try to make sure we get that done before it leaves. Again, it's just Nathan and I here right now. We can't really have the guys here. Again, you can see though, it's tight on this side. It just floats. So there's an adjustment. Should be able to slide that thing over. Truck's nice and straight down the side. You can see it's got one little dimple I saw up in that front fender. Good rubber. Good looking truck, man. Beautiful set of black chrome wheels. Again, it's complete frame-off restoration, so the bottom of the truck is gorgeous. All new bushings. Really nicely done. Sorry, just a little dust, guys. I get dusty quick out here. Front disc brakes. See, the truck is nice, man. Again, big block 454 underneath the hood. Holley dual feed 4-barrel on it. Aluminum intake, ceramic headers. Power steering, power front disc brakes, 400 turbo hydromatic trans. It's got a Mallory distributor in it. Vintage air, vintage heat and air. Aluminum radiator with a shroud. Detailed up really nice too. Like I say, just a good looking truck. tell somebody spent some money building this thing. New door handles, new mirrors. You can see it's nice and doors are nice and clean. This interior is super cool, man. I love this about this truck. Beautiful red leather, new carpet, new sill plates. It's got the nice carpet in it too, guys. And these are cool, man. Custom leather bucket seats. This whole interior is Corvette inspired. Bucket seats, console. You can see it's got the power driver's seat, all new carpet, all new custom dash. Look at how it flows just like a Corvette. Tilt column. It's got a billet steering wheel. 572 miles. All custom gauge cluster, custom sound system. I don't even know how to operate that thing, I'll tell you that right now. Look how cool this thing. Look at the custom LED red lighting in here. I mean, this is wicked in here. Somebody spent a ton of money inside this truck. I'll tell you that right now. Beautifully done. Dual exhaust, 12-bolt rear end, no monster gear, something you can definitely cruise. Got it up on the hoist, got some good pictures of the truck for you. Again, couple little scratches up there. Truck is very nice underneath. Like I say, we got it up in the air, got some good pictures of the bottom for you. The interior's super cool, man. Very cool. Man, that thing is awesome inside. I love that dash. Look how cool that is. That is just wicked awesome, man. Super cool truck. We'll have Nathan fired up. I know it's got one of those little mini torque starters in it for the big block. Again, sorry guys, that's just a little something we missed. Again, truck runs out good. You see Nathan just kick the air on, air blows cold. Truck's got a good look, man. It's different, it's neat. All your gauges are functional. Pack works. Hopefully you guys can see that. I know the sun's right behind me. It's cold still, guys. Popping this on. How this thing works, we'll need a tutorial, I'll tell you that. Pretty cool though. Wipers are functional. Yeah, and make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram page, our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. That way we can get a notification every time I do one of these videos. Or as always, guys, the old-fashioned way, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Have a great day, guys.